Hello students, I am Sarita Agrawal, lecturer at GWPC in Modern Office Management Department. Today I am going to teach Introduction to Stenography. Here we will discuss some introductory part of shorthand. Here what system of shorthand we follow here is Pitman shorthand, which was invented by Sir Isaac Pitman. The system of shorthand is based on phonography, which means sound writing. It is as simple as that. In Pitman shorthand, whatever you hear, you just have to write that sound. You don't go with the spellings. You just go with the pronunciation. So, in shorthand we write words as they are pronounced. Thus, phonography means writing by sound. As we know, any language is based on some consonants and some vowels. So, here also we see 24 consonants for different distinctive sounds. The first illustration deals with consonants and is concerned with the ordinary spelling of the words. Here I want to say that in English language you may get confused what to pronounce a particular word. Like in this example, you just see in both spellings the initial letter is G, but the pronunciation would be different in both cases. Here both spellings have similar letter as G, but these are not pronounced in same way. In the first initial sound it is J and in second it is Gay. First spelling would be jowl and the second is gale. So in shorthand writing you would not get confused because it makes very clear when we write the outlines. For these dissimilar sounds, the Pitman system provides dissimilar shorthand signs. Next, we will move to the second illustration, which deals with vowels. Here we take examples like tub and the other is tube. But except the final E in the second spelling, the both spellings are same. So, a novice person cannot pronounce the word correctly in English, but when we go with the shorthand outlines we can pronounce it perfectly. The both words would be written with the same characters. Final E would not be pronounced, it is omitted, but both words have different vowels sound, as in first word here is tub, a sound, and in second sound is U, tube, U. For that, Pitman shorthand has provided different vowel symbols, so both words are indicated differently in shorthand. Okay, now we will move further. Here we will discuss about consonants. Consonants are the result of audible friction or stopping of the breath in some part of the mouth or throat. This definition is given by Professor Sweet. Here in shorthand, the consonants are given in simple geometrical shapes like straight lines, curves, shallow curves, etc. Today we will learn that is okay and call it a day today. Okay, thank you.